India to launch its own App Store as an alternative to Google Apple Play Store. Welcome to Inspiron Technologies, and this is really a great news for all of us that our country is planning to have its own App Store, and this dominance of Google Play Store and Apple Play Store will be no more. And this is very well known to everyone that most of the applications we find in Google Play Store and the excess usage of mobile phones. Now it's very simple to see people with smartphone, and if smartphones are there, Android platform is there. So in the Android platform, people generally download the applications from Google Play Store, and this has become a trend. Most of the applications are there on Google Play Store, and we find it on iOS, that is Apple Play Store. So there is a great initiative by our honorable Indian government that we are planning to have our own Play Store. So this video is going to be very interesting, since I'm going to share the important updates, what are the thoughts of our honorable ministers and the renowned personalities. Everything I'm going to share. So stay tuned with us and do share this video and do subscribe our YouTube channel. Well, as per the Economic Times, government open to launching Indian App Store as an alternative to Google and Apple. This is really a great initiative, because we are based on these play stores, whereas our business is actually on based on the application. So when the business is based on the application and the overall dependence on these play stores, definitely a thought comes in mind whether we are safe. So Honorable Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad, he is saying encouraging Indian app developers is vital to create an Atmanirbhar Bharat app ecosystem. So definitely this is going to be a great initiative under Atmanirbhar Bharat. We have taken initiative in defense system under Atmanirbhar Bharat, and now IT is gonna bring revolution under Atmanirbhar Bharat. We appreciate it heartily, and a great move against dominance of US technology giants Google and Apple in country's digital services market. There are some root causes why the need was felt, and these root causes are actually monopoly of Google Play Store as service provider, and Google's Android operating system has a 98% market share. Now you may just imagine what a monopoly is there, and if any change is brought from the side of Google, everyone has to abide by whether that change is feasible or not. So this was the root cause. This monopoly is always keeping monopoly is obviously harmful. So this was the root cause to bring it. And the next cause is Google receives user and usage data about other apps listed on its Play Store, and also competes with them through its own offerings. See, Google is the master, Google is the base, and when the algorithm is designed by the base, so obviously everything, what to put at top, what to put down, everything is controlled by Google Play Store, and genuineness might be a threat. Unfair trade practices, which builds a strong case for having an alternative app store. There are unfair trade practices, and that has become really a threat to Indian apps, because a lot of investment is being made on the development of app, and when the platform is not safe, definitely a sense of insecurity comes, and when insecurity is there, of course a person is not able to focus on business. So that is the root cause why this threat is there. And there are many businesses which are only application based. You may take example of Paytm, you must not forget the case of Paytm. So business is app based, and app is based on other things. So that is somehow a threat, and 30% sharing expected by Google Play Store. That was again a reason. This is now app purchases are there, so having 30% sharing with the others, you may just imagine today announcement for 30% is there, other days there can be more announcement. And let's not forget the recent case of Paytm. Obviously Paytm was out of Google Play Store, it was not activated, although it returned in a very short span of time, but somehow a thought process came in and everyone started thinking of it. That was the case of Paytm. And India already has an app store for governance centric apps which can be scaled up to begin with officials. They have said already we have got our governance centric apps where our government related apps are there, so we may scale it further. Policies are to be introduced requiring handset manufacturers to pre-load alternative. Like you have Play Store, it is already inbuilt, right? You don't have to download Play Store somewhere. So preload alternative app stores alongside popular offerings like Google Play. So these policies are to be made, and all the manufacturers, they should have our own Indian digital application store by default, so that people can find further applications from there only. And the existing digital portal store for government apps was developed by CDAC, Center for Development of Advanced Computing, and currently this hosts a slew of applications such as e-governance app like Arogya Setu, Umang, DigiLocker. These apps are supported, and the central government will consider requests from technology entrepreneurs and to launch an Indian digital application store. Obviously our government is really interested to seek information, suggestions from entrepreneurs and those who are experienced in the development. Their suggestions are most welcome. So that's again an opportunity from Indian government, and a number of technology entrepreneurs are joining hands to petition the government seeking support to create an overreaching Indian digital app ecosystem. This graph is really increasing. As per Vivek Vadhwa, technology entrepreneur, the digital industry doesn't need the government's help in this. The developers and entrepreneurs can just crowdsource it and keep a minimal charge of 2% to run the platform. Nobody will then need to pay 30% to Apple and Google. Obviously, that's a great advice. If local app store is scaled up globally after being initially successful in India, developers around the world will be happy to be on an alternative platform where they don't have to shell out a hefty 30%. Readying a solution. The solution is getting ready. Government to consider requests from startup entrepreneurs to launch an Indian digital application store, and government acknowledges steps need to be taken to break monopoly of foreign tech players. That is actually on ready solution. And there are challenges. Obviously an initiative is not so easy. There are challenges. First challenge is taking on dominance of Google and Apple may not be easy. Second challenge is tech costs, spend billions in developers, tools and safety solutions. Concerns over government surveillance if platform run by the center. So these are the changes. But initiative is great. We heartily welcome the initiative by our honorable government. That was the update. Do subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more updates on information technology. Thank you. Jai Hind.